Alright folks, we're going to go over how to do this assignment. I thought it was pretty straightforward, but thank you to those that figured it out and actually read the instructions. Those of us that just decided that we're going to do whatever we think, all I can say is gotta read those instructions before you do an assignment. I did send you an email and return the assignment to you if you did not do it properly. Alright, so we are going to make nets, right? And I talked about nets yesterday in yesterday's lesson. And we have 3D prisms, okay? I was very surprised to see people write either their name here or wrote like rectangle or triangle. That's not a prism, right? And we talked about 3 different prisms yesterday. So, 1. Find the area of each face on each net. Okay, so you have different nets. You have shape A. You have shape B. You have shape C, D, E, F, G, and lastly, H. Alright, so we're going to do that. Write the area on each face. What does that mean? That means when you find the area of this shape right here, well, it's a 3 by 3, or I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's a 9. So I should see a 9 right there. Okay? This is a 3 by 3, so that's a 9. 3 by 3, so that's a 9. 3 by 3, that's a 9. 3 by 3, that's a 9. 3 by 3, that's a 9. You might already know what shape this is. If you guess a cube, you are correct, because all the sides are equal. Surfaces are equal. Cut out the net. Okay, well, that's the next step. Some of us didn't even do this step, which is very surprising to me. I was very, very shocked. Hence why I'm making this video right now. The word cut means to cut. Right? And, oh, I didn't have a printer. Well, I wrote instructions on what you need to do if you don't have a printer. Thank you to those students who contacted me this morning and got the alternative assignment, because that's what they were told to do and asked to do. Alright, so cutting the shape out. Notice, you wouldn't think that I needed to explain this. Alright, so, one more cut. Alright, the shape is cut out now. Alright, so, I've found the area of each net. I wrote it on the face. I cut out the net. Fold on the heavy lines. Those are the darker lines, heavy lines. Okay, so let's do that now. So I'm going to fold on those lines. Right. Some of us decided to fold inward, right? And you can't see any of the nice work that you did for me. I can't see it either, so I can't give you a proper grade for that. So you're going to need to go back and rework those. I'm looking for my tape right now. Alright, so I'm going to... Oh yeah, so tape the prism together so that the grid on the is on the outside of the prism. So, again, guys, you made me smile and laugh today and then smack my face because I was so confused when I went to look at some of these assignments. Right, there's one. I knew I could get the best tape job ever. It's just getting it so it puts together. I'm finding this a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, but you have smaller hands than mine, so it's easier for you. Right, one last little piece right there, bam, and it's on. Alright, so look, I taped it together so I can check off that box. Bam, did that. Tape or paste each prism to the corresponding location on the worksheet. Well, on this worksheet, it said shape A. So I'm going to I'm going to tape it down to A. Okay. All right. Look at that. Bam. It's taped down. All right. So I can check off that one. Name the prism with the most specific name possible. This is not Mr. Ogle. This is not a square, right? This is a cube. This is a three-dimensional shape. Alright, so I named it with the most specific name possible. Don't give it a name like George, right? It's not George. Find the surface area. Okay, so maybe off to the side over here, I'm going to find the surface area. I know that surface area of a cube is, so surface area equals 6 times S squared, okay? Because we have 6 same sides. So S equals 6 times 9, 3. Side squared, right? 3 squared. So exponents come before multiply, so we have to say 6 times 9. So our surface area is going to be 54. So I'll say 54 units squared. Alright, so that, okay. Find the surface area. Did that. Be sure to include the appropriate units, and I did that as well. Alright, that's how you do it. Alright, now you get to do B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, follow the instructions, please.